we're going to do this gardening unboxing of a red watering can. It's not really much of an unboxing, it's more kind of show and tell. I've got a couple of these already, and I bought a couple more so I can just store more water close to hand. But these are made by Strata Products Limited. Fairly standard, fairly cheap, about $6, and they come with one of these little spout thing that goes on the end there, and that will sort of shower the water over the plants. Yeah, not much to say really. Sort of plastic, good amount of flex. They hold just over 6 litres and about 1.5 gallons of water, whatever you put in there. Got 2 handles, one on the back, one on the top. I've actually got several of these. The nice thing with these is they stack quite neatly together. One thing I did notice, and I thought was a defect, which actually isn't a defect, it's a design feature, is these striations here. You can see as the light gets caught. And I thought that was a manufacturing issue at first, but then I realised it's on all of them exactly the same. So it's a design feature, pretty pointless in my mind, but it's there. There's a little bit more there and on here. It's so subtle, I don't know why they bothered, but I guess they wanted to change something. But overall, these are pretty good. Here's one from a while ago, a few years ago. Here's another one. So I've now got 4 of these. That means lots of water at hand, which is great. You can also drain off some rainwater in them, which is great. You can see they start to go slightly, but this is years old. I mean, we're talking, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years, something like that. So they're pretty good, and for the price, they're great. And being bright red, you can always find them. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Strata Limited red watering can and spout. One other thing I noticed on the spout, if you can see, it says cut to size, and then you can cut to whatever watering can if you put on a different watering can. These come as standard and they fit these watering cans perfect, so no modification required. Anyway, just a little bit of extra detail. These are also quite flexible as well. One thing I do like about these watering cans is this lip here, because you can stick a hose in, lock it on fill, and that lip just keeps it in place. And you can let it just fill up while you're doing some other garden activities.